Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Believe it or not, this is one of the nicest restored vehicles we have here. This pickup truck was done from the bottom up. Every nut, bolt, everywhere you look, it looks like new. Color is drop dead gorgeous. Air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes. This is a truck for show and go. And you can go to volocars.com and read all the specs, study all the pictures. And that's where we find the prices on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a pick-em-up truck. Yeah, underneath, first of all, the metal is just smooth as a chalkboard. The frame, the suspension components, the floors, dry, clean metal. It was completely taken apart because it looks fresh down to the last nuts and bolts. I don't think there's a bolt under there you couldn't just take off with a wrench. Nothing is rusted. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with a long glass pack type style mufflers. You'll hear this run towards the end of the video. The front end's completely rebuilt, all of it. The center link, the tie rod ends, the pitman arm, the ball joints, the bushings, the springs, the shocks, all of it's been redone. Actually, it has heavy duty gas shocks all the way around. You look up at the motor, it's clean, the starter looks new, the fuel pump looks new. It's a turbo 350 automatic, that looks fresh. The rear end looks fresh. So all of it looks good. Disc brakes up front. The e-brake cable assembly is all hooked up. I think a lot of it actually looked like it was replaced. So really nice underneath there. Now the body and paint's incredible. This is long, and I eyeballed down the side of it. There's not a dimple, not a wave. All around the wheel wells and the lower parts, cab corners, it's all smooth. There's no bubbles, there's no issues. Everything fits and lines up beautifully. And again, this color is phenomenal. And I am looking in the reflection of our ceiling. It is literally like a glass mirror. There's no orange peel, no ripples. It's smooth as glass. And the glass is crystal clear. All the trim, they either polished it or replaced it. It's all smooth and shiny. All the rubber gaskets have been replaced. Antenna is new, mirrors, door handles. Now it's the Cheyenne model, so all the deluxe trim here looks like it's been replaced because it has the black painted inside there. None of that's flaked off. It actually has wood grain down here, and that's real nice. I did just find there's a couple little pimples down here, actually at both corners of the door. So there must be just a little bit of filler at the corners. There are some little bubbles there. The wheels are highly polished, 17-inch. They're Pacer wheels, Goodyear tires. They look brand new to me. And then you probably noticed this is a Diamondback. This is a premium tonneau lid. It's a polished diamond plate. It opens this way, it locks, and it is weather tight. You can put whatever you want in there. It's going to stay dry. All the trim back here on the tailgate's new, the tail lights, the lenses, the bumper's new, marker lights are new. Has a sliding rear window, has a cargo light, gas cap, and the rubber gasket looks new. Inside the truck is immaculate. New cushion in the seat, nice and firm. It has the reproduction deluxe upholstery with the embossed pattern. Matching door panels, that's new. New window cranks, handles. New deluxe steering wheel. The dash instrument bezel is chrome. The ashtray door was re-chromed. And the glove box door was even chrome plated. Motor compartment is actually show quality. This is a custom grill, so you got to reach under here to open it up. And this is beautiful. The engine bay is gloss black. The firewall and the jamb is glossy like the car. It's a 350 motor, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, HEI ignition system. I just tried the air. It felt like it was cold air, and all the components do look new. The heater control valve, the heater box is clean, and it is updated with the newer Freon. Also has power steering, power brakes. Look at the jambs are slick. Dash pad does have one little crack in it. It is the Cheyenne, so it has the headliner, that's new. The visors, the mirror are new. Interior light works. So there's a custom center console. It's got a stereo with 6 infinity speakers. So this is really nice in here. The bed is straight. It's not beat up, it's not rusted, it's not patched, and it was all sprayed with this real durable bed liner, and it was color matched to the truck. You can throw anything you want in here and you're not going to hurt it back here. Tachometer is mounted on the column. The whole heater control panel looks new. The chrome vents for the air looks new. Carpet. Seat belts look original. They're a little sun faded, but everything else in here just looks spotless. Yeah, it's got 2 big round speakers in each kick panel, and then it has 2 in the center console for a total of 6 speakers. The washers are hooked up. The fan and the shroud and the hoses all look proper. The horns are hooked up. The battery is secured properly, and the cables look new. Just a really nice truck. I say show and go. I would use this. I'd take it to the cruise nights, and if I had to go run a couple errands, I would drive this truck. I'd throw stuff in the back here. Why not? So anyway, I think the truck's gorgeous. The paint is stunning. I should paint every car we have this color. Beautiful. But that's my impression of this one. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. They will answer whatever questions or concerns you have the best they can. They will also help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help with financing. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.